I think I'm up next. Okay, so I am demoing for like 9 people. No, I think I'm demoing for Richard, Alyssa, and myself. So I'm going to insist that they interrupt me if I miss something if I go here, but there's a bunch. Um, and Ariel scripted it, so it's all her fault if I screw it up. Okay, let's see here. So we've been doing a bunch of work around new workbook tab types. If I pick this one. So this new start screen, a few folks have probably seen internally. It's on Omni. It's not on Playground right now because we have some more tweaks to make for Colin because he loves his AI and it's not quite integrated yet, but it's going to be here shortly. So key things here. One thing is that you will not see this table button and customers will not see this table button quite yet. That's a future feature that I'll talk about as we go here. Excuse me. So from this, you'll notice that I didn't have to focus search, but if I just type like products, it'll instantly start filtering down to products. It'll show me topics in products and open those topic groups. In the near future, we'll also pull in tables that it thinks are related. If I go ahead and pull in, let's just say dropship products, I get a query right on that immediately. So this is basically the topic picker we're all kind of used to, more central. If I go hit plus here, we'll notice that it actually detects that this is already in use and promotes it up front here. It is grouped. We need to work on ungrouping them. So actually I go do this one. I can cheat here really quick. So you'll see like R&D here is in use. And I can jump on it again to reuse it as I'm going. So that's one piece. We have this recents feature. This is also not quite real, but will be within a day or two, I think, if not sooner. Uh, and then if we look down here, we actually can browse the tables on this particular connection. And if I click one of these, hopefully this will work. We'll see. Now it's going to be angry because we haven't quite dialed in things. So if I click one of these, it'll actually go create a topic right on that. It doesn't jump me over there quite yet, but we're working on things. So that's another feature coming shortly. Additionally, excuse me, I
Luke,
can jump. Yeah,
what's the difference between tables here and table down here?
nothing yet.
Okay.
It's in progress. So yeah, hence why it's not turned on for folks yet. There's some more design thinking we're doing right now about like how this facets and stuff like that. So yeah. This may go away. This might have use. I will admit that Jared and Alyssa and I have all been like, we'll figure it out. So, yeah. So I'm actually that's a good point. I'm going to go over here and turn off the feature flag. Oh, minor thing. Feature flags got a little bit of another little refresh. So I can jump into a single organization and I can go remove that. Which flag is it? They're so confusing. This one. And now when I go back over here, that'll go away. So this is what customers are going to see for right now. Um, so let's see. So I can go ahead and select SQL. It'll drop me right into a SQL tab, and it's all in the right state. And SQL's open. I can also do browse all views, and this is our classic big all views and fields list. Not that terrible on this instance because I don't have that many tables. It gets a lot worse on a real instance like our internal that has 20 schemas and 100 tables in each. So last but not least, most importantly, blank table is the new entry point for CSV or just writing tables. So here I get a nice table I can start typing in, and I might want to do like inventory of hot dog manufacturers. So we'll say company. I can't remember any companies. Hot dog company. And I start doing this, and I realize, you know what? I don't want to deal with writing this myself. I'm going to ask my AI to write me a table, and I'm going to grab the CSV out of that and just drop it in here. So basically, you can now just drag and drop, and that was really fast. You can do it one more time so you can see it. You just drop it in, and it just works. And then I can actually go fix it. So it messed up and didn't get hot dog production quite right. So I can go, they make 10,000. These guys make a lot. These guys make a lot. I don't know. I'm not going to fill in the rest. Here, I'll just do this. There, everybody makes 30,000. And I can just hit save. Hot dog companies. And then last but not least, I can go ahead and query it. Hopefully. There we go. And this doesn't join because it's a weird table that doesn't have anything joined into my model, but I could create joins to this, my hot dog manufacturer's information here. So really quick, you'll see it picked up formatting and just worked. That's that. So yeah, that is kind of the end-to-end flow of creating new tabs with lots of new tab types. One other little demo I have that's completely unrelated and I need to jump branches to do, and then wait for my machine to restart. So hold on a second, please. Oh, I guess I can. One thing I can't show great because I have too much stuff in my instance is if you have no topics. So like over here, I have this topic free version. We'll go ahead and actually show a big block saying, hey, there's other options, but you really should go create topics. So we push people to topics. As we build the new data table or data set editor, we'll probably push folks to that instead because that's basically creating topics, but this is sort of a nice first start experience. And then here's the tab I wanted. Yes. Okay. So the other thing I was just playing with was nesting schemas. So I have 3 schemas on my local, and so I can actually see them nested here. And they're collapsible, rather than doing the like schema name, table name. This actually collapses. Needs a tiny bit more love from a designer to make it not ugly slash work properly, but that should launch pretty quickly. So we'll have nesting of schemas or views within schemas instead of doing big long names. So yeah, I think
That
that's
was
it.
awesome, Luke. I'm curious if we'll have, multi-level nesting for database schema.
Uh, can schemas nest? Please tell me they don't.
Well, there's three. You can have the catalog, schema, and then table. And so,
Oh, for now we just get schema as a string in here, so we're just gonna put like it'll probably be a like one. It'll be like catalog name, schema name. But yes, we could add more levels, I guess. Um, I people when they're nesting. The design concern is how much like vertical real estate do or horizontal real estate do we need? But like this, actually, I got away with none, and it feels okay. So, pending a Jared pass of making it look good, I think we might be able to add more layers or figure that out. Uh, this is at least one less. This helps with a lot of pain. Like I just Omni blows my brain away most days. So this was an attempt to help with that at least. So yeah. Richard or Alyssa, did I miss anything critical in the core flows there?
No, you
Sweet.
nailed it.
Awesome.
uh,
Okay.